Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is where the trades were. My digital video journaling. Going over today's trades, October the 7th, Monday. Coming out the gate, we identified a much larger controlled selling algo coming from pre-market from Friday's close all the way to this open. We had already identified a controlled selling. So I was looking for an opportunity to take a put. We'd already established supply and demand, already had those identified. So I was looking for a break of demand. Was very clear on what I wanted. I just wasn't clear with my patience. I wanted to see the market close, let's say in this area. I wanted to see a close in this area, and then I wanted to see the next 5-minute candle open underneath it, coming down to test the bottom of this controlled selling algo. It didn't happen. I got a little happy with my trigger finger. We didn't get the close like I wanted. Instead, we got trading beneath the area of demand, and on the very next candle with that flush down, I got in and immediately got taken out with my protective stop that I keep very, very tight. So this was a small paper cut, but nonetheless, it was a trade that I shouldn't have been in. So I have to act accordingly and deal with myself accordingly. Now, if I look at it on the 1-minute chart, I can see it even clearer, the error in my ways. Here it is here. On the 1-minute chart, okay, again, I wanted a close on the outside of demand, and then I wanted the next candle, okay, to be a continuation candle. You can see it a lot clearer here on the 1-minute. We did get the close underneath it, but I got in early. And in fact, when I did get in, the next candle went slightly red, popped back green, and took me out. But nonetheless, what I really wanted to see was that close, a continuation on the 5 minutes. And I'm beginning to start to see a lot clearer on the 1 minute as far as my entry is concerned. However, still using a very tight stop to protect me from suffering any real damage in this candle. I'm grateful for that. That's how we'll look on the 1 minute. And again, on the 5 minute, it was just a trade of haste. Seeing a quick move down on the 11 o'clock candle, and then on the 11:05 candle, another quick move down, me thinking that that was going to be the one to break demand, and it wasn't. Then let's go to my second paper cut. My second paper cut hurts just a little bit more because I was up in this trade. Okay, I was just holding on for the break of the 569.4 area, thinking that it was going to happen after 2 o'clock. I got in this stock around the 569.8 area. It went right down to my line, bounced from there with the inverted hammer at an area of support, which is a bearish move But I didn't allow myself enough range on this bounce back, keeping my protective stops very tight. Even though I was up in this position small, I decided to hold on because I was hoping we would get that move here, but it didn't happen. Instead, I got stopped out, and 5, 10, 15 minutes later, the ideal trade happened. Okay? And I missed it. So let me put a yellow arrow here because at exactly 2:30, a very beautiful, beautiful put happened at 2:30. That would have paid off in the whole 5-minute candle if you would have used the whole 5-minute candle for your duration. You could have gotten off easily here at the 568.2, which is the area I had of support as well, weekly support. The following candle, okay, started off red as well. Once we broke below the 568.2, okay, I got in, but again, this was too early. What I wanted was a close below the 568.2 and then the continuation candle. Again, missing out on the ideal trade here that came right after that. And this beautiful candle, once we got that close below that 568.2 area, the very next 5-minute candle, ding, beautiful. Small paper cuts, first day back, a little antsy. You see the beautiful volume come right in as well at that 2:30. Nothing that I won't be able to recuperate from tomorrow. I can see even clearer on the 1 minute, the error in my ways. That was the first trade. This was the second trade. This is the second trade I took here on the 1 minute. I was in profit, okay, but I held it, and when it came back up against me, I immediately got out. And not too long after that did the market give me the move that I was looking for. And I was not in on that move, which would have been a beautiful move here. But nonetheless, one to grow on. Coming off a beautiful hammer breaking demand. No above wick on this one. Straight to the bank. Beautiful. But one we will learn on. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be right back at it again tomorrow. Bye for now.